Good morning, students. Next, we are going to discuss about example sum 8.7. The amount that the children have spent for purchasing some eatables in one-day trip of a school. Okay. So, they are given that a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Using step deviation method, find the standard deviation of the amount they have spent. Here they are given the question itself using step deviation method. So step deviation method, ungrouped data means what is the formula? Sum of sigma is equal to root of sum of d square by n minus sum of d by n the whole square into c. C means class interval into c. C means sum of d square by n minus sum of d by n the whole square into c. This is called the step deviation method. Okay. First, as usual, here n values what? How many values they are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here no need to change the ascending order because already they are given the question itself ascending order only. So, as usual, x value you have to write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So, here assumed mean. The same thing, d value they are given, we have to find out. D means you have to find out the mean, otherwise assumed mean. So, I am going to find out the assumed mean here. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, which is the center value? 20 and 25 is the center value. Any one value we have to take and subtract it. But I am going to take the 20 here. You are taken subtract the 25 also. There is no problem. The answer will come correctly only. So, x minus a. So, this is the assumed mean. 20 is the assumed mean. D is equal to x minus a. So, 5 minus 20 is equal to minus 15. 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. 15 minus 20 is equal to minus 5. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. So, the next what I am going to find out? Step deviation method only, no? So, d is equal to x minus, here we are going to use the class interval c also. So, d is equal to x minus a by c. Within that same bracket, you have to solve that. We want to understand. That's why I have to split and do. The same question we have to do directly. D is equal to x minus a by c. So, c means nothing is there. What is the difference between one data to another data? So, 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus 10, 5. 20 minus 15, 5. That class interval you have to do the division. So, d is equal to x minus a by c. Directly you have to do also, that's no problem. Okay. So, we want to understand, that's the reason I am going to split and do. Okay. So, d is equal to x minus a already we found by c. So, here c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5. So, minus 15 by 5 minus 3. Minus 10 by 5 minus 2. Minus 5 by 5 minus 1. 0. Whatever value you have to divide with 0. 0 only. 5 by 5 equal to 1. 10 by 5 is equal to 2. 15 by 5 is equal to 3. 20 by 5 is equal to 4. The next as usual d square. Minus 3 the whole square 9. Minus 2 the whole square 4. Minus 1 the whole square plus 1. 0 square 0. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. Okay. So next what I am going to do? Summation of d value I need. So minus 5 minus 6. So this value minus 6. Here 3, 6, 10. This plus value 10. 10 minus 6 plus 4. Summation of d value plus 4. The next 13, 14, 15, 19, 28, 34, remaining 3, 44. Okay. So, now I found the sum of d square also I found. I am going to apply the formula sigma, that means standard deviation is equal to summation of d square by n minus summation of d by n the whole square into c. So, root of sum of d square by n. D square value is what? 44. N value is 8 minus summation of d 4 by 8 into class interval is 5. Okay, class interval is 5. The next This one. You have to strike out. 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. So 11 by 2. So here 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 by 2. Okay. So 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole square into 5. So this one 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. So 5.5 minus this one is what? 1 by 2 means 0.5 up. So 0.5 the whole square. 25 will come up. So point after one digit. So what's the meaning? 0.5 into 0.5. One digit, one digit. Totally two digits. So 0.25 into 5. So you have to subtract these two values. 5.5 minus 0.25. Okay. Here borrow 10 minus 5, 5. Here 4 up. 4 minus 2, 2. Here 5 minus 0, 5. So 5.25 into 5. You have to take the long division. Long division means 5. Okay, within that 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. Next 2 digit you have to drop down. Okay, next 2 digit you have to drop down. So this one same value you have to write down and add. 2 plus 2, 4. Whatever value within that, whatever value will come. For 42 2s are 84. Suppose 43 3s are you will take it more than the 125. So you have to stop the 2 itself. 42 2s are. Whatever value you have to substitute here. The same value you have to write there also. Okay. 40 here also 2. There also 2. So 42 2s are 84. You have to subtract it. You will get the 41. The next you have to add the 2 0 here. Okay. 2 0 here. So next 2 0 you have to drop down the same number. The same number 2 plus 2 4. So 44. 44. So within that 4100. Within that which value will come? 44. 449 9s are. 9 9s are 81. Balance 8. 36. 44. Balance 4. 36. 40. 4041. You have to subtract it 59. So sigma value approximately 2.29. Suppose you want to stop it here itself, that's no problem. 2.2 itself you have to stop it here. Okay. So 2.29 into 5. 2.29 into 5. You have to subtract it. Multiple 2.29 into 5. 9 5s are 45. Balance 2. 10. 14. Balance 1. 10. 11. So 11.45. Sigma value approximately 11.45. Okay. Thank you students.